Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily withdraw money from Binance to bank account. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be on wallet, click overview, and then you're going to see on the top right withdraw. But you want to make sure that you have actually euro. So you want to actually trade and trade it to euro so you can actually withdraw it. But when you already sold it and sell Ethereum, I'm going to wallet, overview. Now I'm going to click withdraw next to the deposit. And here I have option to withdraw crypto or fiat, and choose currency. Choose the currency here in the list. If you can find a currency here, you need to use different exchange. I'm going to choose euro. And now I have options to go through SEPA or bank card, right? I can simply add a new card here. Or I can add bank transfer, enter amount. Let's go. See, you will get, and you always see the fee here, and you see the bank card here, 1%. So this is pretty much it how you do it. It's nothing hard. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. But as I mentioned, if you're not from the Europe, and if you're from Kenya, or I don't know, Russia, or Turkish, but you are Vietnamese dong, but let's say that you are somewhere else, you just have to use different exchange. So you want to like get it back to the Bitcoin and then withdraw it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great day and goodbye. See you.